Future Trend channel is glad to welcome all of our subscribers, and today, as usual, we continue with the reports presenting to us by the company FutureTrendResearch. And in the framework of today's analysis, we'd like to provide you with information regarding such kind of currency pairs like Russian ruble crosses, dollar ruble and euro ruble. And also today we will speak about cable, euro dollar, dollar yen and euro yen. As usually, we start with dollar ruble analysis. The dollar ruble from the part of Future Trend Research confirmed a mixed closing last night. As you could see, after a session of consolidation into the previous day's range, forming a new inside day, while remaining below the 55 and 100 days lines that could be crossing soon, the 55 above the 100. While below this line, we favor an extension of the decline toward the 200 days line, now found at 64.92. Indicators of the daily chart are still well negative, while those of the short-term charts are instead showing a mixed picture, suggesting some consolidation and correction. Bullish divergences in the hourly chart are, however, still supporting a negative tone, and this should keep this dollar under pressure. While below 67.15 on an hourly closing, we expect a move toward a short-term target at 65.30.5, with as we already suggested, a possible undershooting toward the 200 days line. Future Trend Research prefers to stay on the sign line at the moment. As regarding the resistances and supports in this type of pair, here they are. Now some words about the euro ruble. Euro ruble confirmed a mixed closing last night, but it was positive enough to confirm a small positive day reversal. However, the cross is still below the 100 days line, located at 76.93.6, suggesting further weakness. Only daily closing tonight above 76.96.1 will confirm a short-term bottom. The indicators of the daily chart are, however, still below the line for now, while those of the short-term charts are showing a mixed picture, suggesting some consolidation correction. While below 77.05.5 on an hourly closing, the cross should continue to extend the decline toward a possible target at 74.85. Only move above 77.05.50 will postpone further direct weakness, supporting instead a rebound, with the 200 hours line at 78.32 the possible attraction. Future Trend Research prefers to wait a little bit for a decent rebound to sell the pair. Now cable. As you know, cable still in the arms of the British Parliament, and the decision on the Brexit deal is scheduled for the 14th of January, so next couple of weeks could be quite volatile for the sterling. That's from fundamental point of view. As regarding the technical analysis of Future Trend Research, resistances located at 27.70, 28.20, supports at 26.80 and 26.15, and as you could see, Future Trend Research is still missing any kind of positions in this type of currency. The cable formed a negative day reversal yesterday, but only daily closing tonight below 27.06 will confirm a short-term top favoring lower levels. At the present conditions, a possible decline is in the view of Future Trend Research corrective, and the buying opportunity especially around the 126 area. The indicators of the daily chart are, however, still well positive for now, while those of the short-term charts are instead showing a mixed picture, suggesting some consolidation correction after a few positive sessions. Future Trend Research expects a test of the 200 hours line located at 126.89 with even a possible undershooting. We still believe the cable could have formed a short-term bottom and FutureTrendResearch waits, therefore, for an extension of the correction to buy the pair. Euro-dollar, today is 9 of January 2019. As you could see, trading positions from FutureTrendResearch, a short one at 116 and the long consolidated average price at 117.98. Euro-dollar confirmed a further good resistance above 114.80, forming a negative day reversal. Only daily closing tonight below 114.22 will confirm a short-term top. However, while above the former resistance line at 114.15, we favor higher levels for the euro-dollar. Overall, the euro-dollar is, however, still interior of the negative outside day with 115.10, 113.15, still the levels to follow in the coming hours. Indicators of the daily chart are still positive for now, while those of the short-term charts are instead still showing a mixed picture this morning, suggesting further consolidation, correction with the 200-hour line at 114.23 with possible attraction. FutureTrendResearch still missing strong signals for now, suggesting therefore to stay on the sideline. Another interesting pair, dollar-yen. Dollar-yen confirmed a mixed closing last night, but still on a positive foot, suggesting further short-term upside potential toward the psychologically important barrier of 110, where FutureTrendResearch expects decent resistance. The indicators of the daily chart are, however, still well negative for now, but those of the short-term charts are instead still all above the line, suggesting further consolidation correction with the 200-hour line located at 109.10 with immediate attraction. The move up is still corrective, already showing a potential negative reversal situation, suggesting a short-term target on 104.41. We suggest, therefore, waiting for a possible extension of the move up before selling this dollar, especially close to the level of 110. And finally, euro-yen. Euro-yen from the small negative day reversal after having found further good resistance below the 125 level. Only daily closing below 124.12 will confirm a short-term top, while above still possible an extension of the corrective move up. The indicators of the daily chart are still well negative for now, but recovering, while those of the short-term charts are instead all above the line this morning, suggesting further consolidation correction. Since this morning, the cross is also above the 200-hour line, located at 124.65, suggesting a possible extension of the move up. And now, attention! Bearish divergences are also showing up, supporting an extension of the correction. Therefore, FutureTrendResearch waits for an overshooting to sell this cross, avoiding, however, FM offer. Resistances and supports are on your screens. Our dear subscribers, FutureTrend channel and FutureTrendResearch. We're with you. See you tomorrow and take care.